In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the array modifier in Blender, a powerful tool that allows you to create an array of the same object effortlessly, which can be incredibly useful for making repetitive structures or designs efficiently. If you haven't already, make sure Blender is installed on your computer, and then open the Blender application. Once you have Blender up and running, go ahead and open the project file that you'd like to work on. Now, to get started with using the array modifier, the first thing you'll need to do is select the object you want to duplicate. Click on the object to make sure it's highlighted. You'll see that there are numerous features on the right side of the screen, and amongst these is a toolbar. Look for a wrench icon, which is indicative of the Modifiers tab. Click on this icon to bring up the modifier options. Once you have the Modifiers panel open, you'll find an option labeled Add Modifier. Click on it and you'll see several different modifier choices appear. We're specifically looking for the Generate section. When you hover over it, you'll see the Array option appear. Select Array to apply this modifier to your object. With the Array modifier applied, you'll now see a panel appear that will allow you to adjust various settings. One of the key settings is the count value. This determines how many duplicate copies of your object will be generated. Simply increase the number in the count field, and you'll see the additional copies appear in your workspace. Next, you'll want to adjust the spacing between your objects. You can do this through the relative offset settings. By changing the values for X, Y, or Z, you can control exactly how far apart each of these copies is from the next. If you're looking to change the direction or axis along which the objects are duplicated, you can set the offset value of your current axis to 0 and adjust a different axis. This flexibility allows for a wide range of configurations. If for some reason you need the duplicate objects to be interconnected, you can check the Merge option, which will connect the vertices of adjacent copies. There's also the possibility to add an object offset, which means you can use another object to influence the array's direction or the spacing between the items. This feature can create dynamic and complex arrangements that follow the positioning or orientation of a separate object. Once you've dialed in the settings to achieve the look you're after, finalize your modifications by clicking Apply in the Modifier panel. This step commits the changes and turns the array into a permanent aspect of your model. Congratulations on successfully using the array modifier in Blender. With these skills, you can efficiently create detailed and repetitive elements in your 3D projects. Keep experimenting with different settings to fully unleash the potential of this feature. Happy blending!